Hey everybody, glad you can be with us. Outdoor Inspirations, I'm Kevin. We're gonna show you today some cool, big growing screening shrubs that you can use in your next landscape plan. So let's get rolling. All right, now we got this one first off. This is a really favorite one of ours, Carolina Sapphire. So it's a cypress in the cypress family. Just a really wonderful evergreen, broad evergreen shrub that gets very large. You're talking 30, 40 feet at maturity. Beautiful, beautiful silvery green foliage. And the smell, woo! If this had smell-o-vision, we would love it. But it's just a very cool, like, what did you say earlier? Like a sweet pine, a very pine, citrusy pine scent. So, so add this to your screening areas to break up that monotony of green, green, green. Have some of this different striking foliage to give you that privacy that you need, right? So this is an awesome plant. It grows in average soils. It's very hardy. Very little plant insect disease issues. I've used this time and time again. It's a winter chicken dinner. All right, next on the list, green giant Arborvitae. This is a really awesome screening plant. Stays evergreen, is dark foliage green, likes dry to average soil and moisture, and is a really awesome plant. It gets very little insect disease. It's a little sparsy up in the upper half of the structure, and as it grows, and it'll fill in over time and get more and more dense. But it has a really unique fan foliage that's very familiar with the Arborvitae family. And this one's called Green Giant. It gets very tall, it grows very quickly. Some people are seeing 1.5 feet per year of growth. So we've had issues at other customers' houses that have called us to their house to look at their landscape. They have planted these and they've declined since planting. And what we've found is these do not like wet feet. So if you have a low area or even any area that doesn't drain well, these aren't going to do well at all. So really good, well-drained soils for this one. But this makes a great screening tree, screening plant, and it is awesome. All right, everybody, Nellie Stevens holly, another great screening plant. This one will give you evergreen foliage and these nice berries that turn beautiful bright red in the fall and winter. Birds love the berries. These will get nice and big for a good screening plant. These like average to dry soil. So once established, you don't have to water these. And then these do, you know, these come in, you'll have to prune these if you like that real formal V shape. So if you don't mind some leaders growing here and there, you can let these grow natural. But most people that we come in contact with like that conical shape to make it more formal, especially when you're planting these close to the house. So this is a great plant to add for that huge, large ratio. I think we're getting attacked by water tanks. Hey everybody, this is a cool plant, oleander, an evergreen native to North Kakalaki. You know, you'll see these in coastal communities, so it'll tolerate salty air. This gets large and brawly, so large and in charge. Good for screening, good for accents because of the beautiful flowers that it'll showcase. They don't smell typically the greatest, but they're very showy. But they come in different colors, pinks, reds, whites, etc. And wanted to just show you this different look. You know, you can pull off a nice textural contrast with this plant very well. Just imagine some conifers behind it or pines behind it. You can get a really nice contrasting, complementing plant here with the oleander.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, leave a like for us, and you can hit our icon right here and hit the subscribe button. That'd really help us and support our channel. You can also click our latest video over there in the top right, and then below that it has a recommended video from our channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and remember, keep those plants healthy.